Hi there, it's Lukasz for the Tech Travel Geeks, and today we have a brand new phone for you, the recently released POCO M4 Pro 5G by Xiaomi. Just in time as Matteo finished his long-term review of its predecessor, the M3 Pro 5G, check our recent video linked below, we received the latest model from Xiaomi UK, and I can't wait to put it through its paces. Make sure to subscribe to our channel to see more coverage from us. The phone comes in the usual small yellow box from POCO that we've seen with their past phones, and it's very minimalistic. There's not much there other than a mention of access to Google Apps and some specifications at the bottom, which we'll discuss in a moment. Let's open it up though. Inside, you get a matching accessories box with a SIM ejector tool, which will come in handy when we release the setup video very soon. There's plenty of stickers if you want to use them, including one of their slogans, "Everything you need, nothing you don't." You'll have to see about that. There's quite a lot of paperwork. Some instructions, which we'll most certainly read. A quick start guide, as well as a warranty card. And there's also a plastic case, which will come in handy. Right now, none of my favorite flip cases are available online, with expected delivery in early December, so I'll have to make do with this one. Next, there's the phone itself, with some key features on top. We'll talk about it in a moment, so let's check what's underneath it. And the good news is that there's a phone charger in the box, and it's a fast charging one, rated at 33 watt. It should charge the 5000 mAh battery in just under an hour. However, don't expect wireless charging here. My review unit came with the European plug, but you should get one matching your power outlet depending on where you buy it from. There's also a nice cable with the orange connector, which should allow for fast charging. Great start. Finally, the phone itself. My model came in grey, or power black as it's called, but there's also the POCO yellow and cool blue colors available. It has the usual large POCO logo on the back. Well, at least it's smaller than the one on last year's POCO X3 NFC, which Matteo reviewed on our channel. I think the phone looks quite nice and elegant, but bear in mind that it has a plastic back. It's also quite hefty, weighing at 195 grams, and I also believe it's IP53 dust and splash repellent. Looking at the camera module from afar, you might be tricked into believing that there are 5 cameras here. But it's actually just 2, a 50 megapixel main sensor with f1.8 aperture and an 8 megapixel ultra-wide camera. This time, POCO replaced what our friend Miriam Jouar calls sticker cameras, namely the 2 megapixel macro and depth sensors, with actual stickers. And you could be surprised, but I think it might have been the right decision. I much prefer to get 2 good cameras, including an ultra-wide lens, than 3 useless ones. I can't wait to test it out soon and share my impressions here on the channel. There's also a 16 megapixel front-facing camera in the dodge in the middle of the screen. Speaking of which, this time we're getting a larger 6.6 inch screen compared with the 6.5 in the M3 Pro 5G, but it's still a Full HD Plus one with refresh rate of up to 90 Hz. So there's still no OLED here, but we'll have to see how well it performs soon. It's also covered with Gorilla Glass for further protection. To continue with some more features, the M4 Pro 5G has my by far favorite feature in any Xiaomi or POCO phone, the side-mounted fingerprint scanner. I found them to be excellent in the past, and I really wish my Pixel 6 Pro had one, so I'm really happy that it's also available here. The audiophiles among us will be pleased to see that the phone supports both the carriage port or 3.5mm audio jack, as well as stereo speakers, so if you enjoy music on your device, you should be really happy. Similarly, if like Matteo you like infrared blasters, you'll be in luck here as well. The other good news is that you also get NFC, depending on your market, and, as the name suggests, 5G connectivity. This is thanks to the MediaTek Dimensity 810 5G chipset, which is a slightly upgraded version of the Dimensity 700 used in the M3 Pro 5G. The new one has slightly higher clock speeds, so it should run slightly faster than its predecessor, but what's more important is that it's built using a 6nm process, so it should be also more energy efficient. When it comes to other specifications, my model came with 128GB of storage and 6GB of memory, but there's also a version with 64GB of storage and 4GB of RAM available. You can also expand the storage with a microSD card, and we'll check it out in the upcoming setup video. Speaking of the setup, the phone comes with Xiaomi's MIUI 12.5 pre-installed, which is actually great news since the M3 Pro 5G was stuck on MIUI 12. It's great to see that this one got updated despite running the Dimensity chipset. At the time of writing, the phone isn't yet available for purchase on the POCO site or Amazon, but you can buy the 4GB M4 Pro 5G on AliExpress for £175 plus shipping, or the 6GB model for £191. Also, look out for some sales like the upcoming Black Friday in case you want to get a better deal. That's it for this unboxing video. We'll be taking this phone through its paces and compare it with some other recent devices. And we'll also share the setup and software experience video really soon, so keep an eye on that and make sure to subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks with notifications enabled. Leave us any questions in the comments below if you'd like to hear more about this phone. But for now, thanks for watching.